What's going on, guys? I just picked up a dehumidifier. I'm going to try to fix it today. It's an LG 45 pint. So right now it's not one that collects any water out of the basement. The person said you got your humidity controls right here. You can adjust the settings. You can hear it just turned on with that different noise. So low and high seems like it doesn't work at all on the fan speed. And then you got your 2 hours on and 4 hours off. So right now it's not collecting any water, so we're going to do a little troubleshooting and see exactly what's going on with this unit. So what we're going to end up doing, we're going to pull the front cover off and check the filter, and we're also going to make sure the front and back coils are getting warm and cold like how they're supposed to. So the filter was pretty dirty, so we're going to have to clean that out to see, but right now we're going to check the coils. We're going to let it run for like 15-20 minutes and see. The first coil right here should get really cold. The one behind it stays pretty warm. And if that's not working properly, you probably got a leak in your Frigidaire, and it's pretty much no good. You want to just get rid of it, scrap it, recycle it. So you can tell the fan is running. The blower on the back runs pretty good. Majority of the time, if it's the free iron's not leaking, normally it's this right here. Make sure your unit is off when you're tearing it apart too, guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna tear off this nut right here and check the overload. So normally people run these dehumidifiers on extension cords, and when you run them on extension cords, these typically there's an overload on here that typically goes bad. So we're gonna check to see if this goes if this is bad making the unit. If not, I'm going to show you guys how to check a couple other things and make sure that it's bad. Okay guys, so we tore off that cover, these two little things right here. Make sure your power is off when you do this. These are the two things that go bad when you run your extension cord on your dehumidifier normally. So I suggest taking these off, checking the continuity, making sure everything works properly on the voltage and all that stuff. You'll need a volt tester. I think you can get a decent one for about 50 or 30 bucks, and you'll use it for life, you know, checking other electronic stuff. Yeah, so the compressor is turned on, so I'm going to say the overload on these are still good.